Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome wherever you are around the world. Welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I trade live here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell with my real money, with my real trades. This is genuine. We don't sell you anything. This is just me. I'm not a financial advisor. I am just a guy on the internet. In fact, I'm the world piano man. This is my live studio where I go live every day and sing songs. But I like to invest my savings for my future, and I've had some success, and we have a great community here on YouTube, and we've grown really quickly in just our first 6 weeks old today. So if it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here by subscribing and ringing the bell. Set notifications to all so you'll be notified when I go live. Okay, we're just half an hour away now from the bell, the opening bell this morning. We're now in pre-hours, of course. Give us a thumbs up as well. Help the video grow. We are brand new. We're very, very small, but boy, have we grown quickly, like our portfolio, which I'm going to share for you now. Here is our live portfolio. This is my real savings, my real money. I use Robinhood. This is what I use to make my investments, and I absolutely love it. I've grown from $5,000 to $51,000, just slipped back the last couple of weeks, to $49,951. If you're watching me over there on TikTok, good morning to all of you. If you'd like to get the full experience and tune in with the actual show itself to see our trading screens, click on the profile right here. That will bring up a icon. Click on the icon, and behind the icon you will see an Instagram icon. Click on that, and then you can find my YouTube link, and you can be here with me on YouTube and see the trading screens either side of the TikTok screen. On here it's just the phone. So what's that on the side of the screen? I'm seeing some a competition or something going on in TikTok, something I've been invited to do. I'm not sure what it is. So welcome all of you. All right, let's see who we've got in the chat. Bill is here. Bill has been here for 3 weeks. Thank you ever so much, Bill. Yes, you have. You've been one of my first inaugural members to the team. I think that's the word to use, right? Bill is also over there on TikTok right now. Thank you very much indeed. And Cluster's here. 1,000. Let's bring up all these messages on the screen. There we go, Bill. I've been here for 3 weeks. There we go. 1,200 subs. That's up from 1,000 just a week or two ago. Yeah, absolutely incredible. My name is Michael Williams. How are you feeling today? Here he is, the legend, the man. He joins me every evening for my music show, and now he's here trading with us as well on the morning show, the opening bell. Michael, it's a pleasure to have you here. You're now on the screen. Thank you very much indeed. Right, has everybody hit has everyone smashed the like button? Remember, our record is 27. Storngy, we've got a good crowd over there. Is that Football Boots, Sabrina, Mace? Hello, all of you over there on TikTok. We've got a really good crowd now coming on TikTok. On TikTok, you can only see me talking to you on here. If you want to be part of the show and see our trading screens and see what my real money is, what I'm really doing, then you need to click the profile right here. Click the icon, click the Instagram icon, and you will find the YouTube link right behind there. And that's where we are. Come and meet our team. We've got some technical analysis people. We've got some great people here. And we share our live trades for an hour every morning and every evening. Live Bitcoin, live trades, stocks and shares, and you can actually see my real money, what I'm trading. I've grown 5,000 to 51,000, so we've had some success here. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just the world piano man. Voted by Elton John. That's what I do, but I trade my savings here. Okay, so come and join us. Graphics Card is here. Let's welcome him. One of our former members as well, who joined us right at the beginning of our journey. Let's see how we've grown the channel. Clus mentioned it. Yeah, look, 1,200 subscribers now. It does it in tens now. 1,200. It does it in tens. So you'll see 121, 1.21 shortly, when it will be 1,210. The days of the single subscribers have gone. It's now in tens. So there we go. Thank you to all of you for doing that. All right, back to my main portfolio. And we're looking at several shares. Let's go through the stocks. We've got 25 minutes before the main bell goes. Our members on TikTok, come and join us on YouTube. Link is behind the profile. Okay, behind the Instagram profile. So today we're up 0.2%, which is wonderful. Oh, by the way, just a final reminder, of course, today Martin Redding, one of our early members as well, is attending the funeral of his father-in-law. That's today. And they were so moved by your messages to my video yesterday and the video itself. He's got an honor guard from the American Army. They're going to be there because he has several Purple Hearts. We thought it was one, but it's several. And they're going to play the video today at the memorial. Lots of soldiers and a military presence. So I'm absolutely honoured by all of that. So this is the video here. Many of you commented below the video.
Morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Let me just mute that. Many of you commented on the video as well. Your comments are here and they'll be read out at the memorial. So look, these are some of the comments. We have Alicia, Patricia, John Brunette, Dr. Nathan Smith. If you've not yet commented on here, please do watch this video and comment. Let me give everyone the link to it in case you didn't do it. If you'd like to be part of Martin's day today. There we go. There's the link. You can all go and check out the video and comment on it. Leave a comment below here in the comments. This is like a permanent thing, a permanent memorial for this gentleman here, Thomas, but also one of our friends from the Day Trader. He will appreciate that, all the comments here. All right. There we go. All right. And if you've already watched it, just note that I have removed the annoying ad that popped up in the middle of that video. YouTube put ads on my videos and I forced it to remove it because the last thing they want during the memorial is for an ad to pop up for something. All right. Good morning, Sam. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome, Sam. Morning, Dr. Nathan Smith. Is here. Go and put your wonderful graphics card has just commented below the video. Thank you ever so much indeed, graphics cards. Sam Hughes, go and do the same thing. Go and put a comment below that video. I just posted in the link there. It's being played today for the army at the funeral of Thomas. A Purple Heart. What's the word? Decorated Purple Heart. Is that the word? How you describe it? I'm very well, Rocket Man. All right, let's look at all our shares. We got a lot going on here. It's a lot going on this morning. Right, Amazon up 0.6. Martin said this would be a big morning for us, and it will be. Look at it. Right, I'm up so far 0.22. But what I've got here at the end, Bitcoin is continuing to fall. Decorated, that's the word, yes. He's been decorated with Purple Hearts. That's right. Global Star up 1.5%. There we go. Look, everybody. Global Star, we got in it yesterday. Quite big for me. Sam is asking about Robinhood. Why do you always ask about Robinhood? You can't even get it in England. I'm always interested why you always ask about that. Bitcoin trending down. Hopefully reverse his course. Yeah, I hope so as well. Robinhood is up 1%. Yeah, that's good. I'm very pleased about that. It has been dropping. I mean, at one point I was 40% up, so we're quite disappointed the fact it's dropped so much. But it's not a surprise, really, to be honest. I could sell that, but I will pay a penalty for pre-IPO trading, so I'd rather not. Rolls-Royce down 0.5%. This is what we're watching today, though. We're watching GSAT. It's always on my mind, and I know it's always been dropping, like you said. AVPT is up 1.11%. Thank you for that, Dr. Smith. Thank you very much indeed. Looking at Global Star, this could be a very, very big player in the next few days. I am down just slightly, but I've got a much bigger position now, as you can see, $1,200. Right. XOS. I have 20 shares of XOS. It is currently down 2%. So nothing happening at the moment. It's flat today, but I'm down 2%. Can you get shares in Sony? Can I get shares in Sony? Let's have a look. I'm sure you can. Yes, you can. Yes, I can. I can buy shares in Sony. There you go. Shares in Sony are up 1.32% today. That's not bad, is it? Oh, hello. Shares are in... What's going on here? Shares in Sony are flying up. Look at this. This is a little... Sony's doing very well. Does Sony pay dividends? They do. They pay a 0.35 dividend. There we go. Good job, I said then. There you go. So you can buy shares in Sony on Robinhood, and they're up today. I will add that to my list. I will do some research on it, but certainly Sony is doing very well today. No question about that. Thank you very much for that tip there. Look at that. Sam Hughes coming in with his top tip. Right. So Global Star just dropped back tiny. Remember, we're pre-hours at the moment at TSM. Shall we have a look at TSM? TSM. Oh, yes. Let's have a look at this. In the pre-market, they are up 0.67. Not bad at all. Why can I never see lives on my phone? Anyone know anything about that? Freds, J Freds. Yet, what I tell you to do, and Adam Ma, and user 431. My friends on TikTok, this is what you should do right now. This is what you should do right now. Click the profile right here. Click the profile right here, right now. See my icon? Click on the icon. When you see the icon, click on the Instagram icon. When you click the Instagram icon, you'll see my YouTube link. Now, Jay Freds, you're one of my friends. You want to be where my friends are, in YouTube. So click here, click the icon, click the Instagram icon, and my YouTube link will be right there. And I go live every morning and every night. And you see my trading screens. You can't see my trading screens on TikTok. You can on YouTube. So come over to YouTube. Come into the live chat, talk to my team, and we'll share with you and we'll show you what we're trading live here on Robinhood and how I've grown from 5,000 to 51,000 in 4 months. And you can see it. So come and join us. All right. Hope that answers your question. So there. Is that added to my list? Add to list. This is what one of our team is interested in. This is... graphics card, TSM. So let's have a look over the last 3 months. Yeah, that's moving up nicely as well. Right, so let's go back to what we're looking at this morning. GSAT we're watching, and of course Exos. If we get a dip there, I'll buy there. NRXP up 0.5%. Still down 2.5%. Have you noticed Dras hasn't been here? I hope he's okay. I hope he doesn't feel bad and he talked us all into... No, he didn't. He gave us a tip and we made our own choices. But I hope he doesn't feel bad because since it's been down, we've not seen him. I hope he comes back today. YouTube is the place to be. It certainly is. Carnival's at 1% today. I'm up now 2% on that. Looking for a dip to buy some more. Harpoon Therapeutics, nice, up 1%. Ocugen as well is down 11%. Can you get shares in Apple? Yes, I've got shares in Apple. That's one of my big plays. You want to see? Let's go into Apple. Yep. There's Apple. Yep, 0.5% I'm up. This is a share I won't ever sell. This is just a constant growth, constant add more to Apple. Clays, Chaya Via, how are you there on TikTok? Come and join us here on YouTube. Click the profile link right here. The icon, the Instagram icon right behind there is the YouTube link. Come and join us. You'll see my trading screens. You can't see it on TikTok. All right, okay. So, and Tesla is up slightly, but SPCE, this is the one we're looking at, up 0.27. I hope Sony will get you some more money. I haven't invested in Sony right now. Chaya, I'm okay, thanks. One of my friends, how are you? Where are you from? Chaya, you're one of my friends, so my friends are all invited to be part of my inner circle community with our financial advisors and technical analysis, all here on YouTube. You can see my trading screens if you click the profile link, click the icon, click the Instagram icon, and then behind there you will see my YouTube link. Come live into the chat and you'll see exactly what we're doing, and then we can welcome you in and show you all our live trades. You're from Thailand. Welcome, welcome, welcome to you. All right, we've got 15 minutes now before the bell goes, and we're going to see some action. Me and Kenneth both agree that this morning we'll see some action. All right, has everyone smashed the like button? We've got 13 likes. Our record is 27. Our average is 15. So let's get up to 15 at least today. Bitcoin is still moving down. I've still got a 36% profit in this. What does portfolio diversity mean? Portfolio diversity. What that means, Sam, this is my overall portfolio. These are all my stocks together. It's like my bank account for all my stocks. And then all my stocks individually, Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla, etc., etc. I have over 35 different stocks. And they are all different risks. Some are more risky than others. Some are new companies, old companies, big, small, whatever. And then that's what's called portfolio diversity. I don't have all my shares, all my interest in one stock. So that would be very volatile and very vulnerable. Now, that doesn't mean to say Facebook or any of these big ones could go to nothing. I mean, it's very unlikely, of course, but if they did, my portfolio wouldn't go to zero, because then I've got it spread across different stocks, different industries, as Cluss made a point. So I'm diversified. So I'm not all in one basket. That's kind of, the best way to explain that. And this is my full portfolio. You can't see this over there on TikTok. Just click the link right here. Go to the Instagram link on my profile and click the YouTube link, and you'll be right here. So there you go. These are all my stocks, as you can see, and these are all the different things that I invest in. Tesco's in the UK. I invest in Tesco's, which is where I buy my food when I'm in the UK. So I invest in Tesco's. All right. So we've got just 12 minutes to go before the bell, and Bitcoin is still going down. There we go. Down 1% in the last hour. We are seeing some huge dips here, I have to say. But it's hovering across this line. I think we're pretty safe along this line. I don't see a major problem with that. If you look at it, it's what Bitcoin does. I'm not concerned about it right now. GSAT, there we go. GSAT is now up 1.55%. I'm just down slightly. Sainsbury's or Asda or any close to, have you got shares in? No, just got shares in Tesco's, and also the National Grid as well. In the UK, but everything else is US based, pretty much, I think. Virgin Galactic, of course, is owned by an Englishman, but it's over here in America. Global Star, right, let's have a look at Exos. Exos still zero. NRXP is up 0.5%. Carnival is up. Harpoon Therapeutics is up slightly. Ocugen is up slightly. We're going to see some action this morning. I know that. Lucid Group is now up 1.56%. That's good. On the morning, I'm up 2.5% there now. $27. That's very, very good. Let's see. And Robinhood is up 1%. Rolls-Royce down 0.5%. And Ford is up 0.5% as well. Remember, I'm trying to get out at 18 once I've got my dividends. SPCE just up, but just moving back slightly. McDonald's down slightly. Okay. I'm looking for an opportunity to buy another McDonald's. I was looking for a dip. Here it comes. 233.80. Am I going to do a live trade now? Thank you very much indeed for all those of you tapping the screen on TikTok. If you tap the screen, keep tapping the screen. You're one of my fans, and that helps blow me up on TikTok. But do come and join me on YouTube. You will enjoy the experience far more. It's right behind. The link is right behind the Instagram link on my profile. What does IPO stand for? Initial public offering. That's when a company goes public, and its initial public offering. It offers its shares up for sale at an initial price. There we go. Dr. Smith wrote it in as I said it. Do they still have their dollar menu? Dollar menu? What, McDonald's? I've no idea. So I'm looking to get into McDonald's right now. Taking a bit of a tumble there, a little bit. If you look at it over the year, it's strong, but a little bit of a dip there. I've only got one share of McDonald's. You should always have more than that. You see my first dividend payout, look? $1.29 for one share. So each share pays you $1.29. So I absolutely want more in McDonald's. September the 15th, I'll be paid out, and I'll get to see how often that is. That could be quarterly, it could be monthly, it could be yearly. I'm not sure. I need to research that. But reinvesting dividends, always. So, I mean, look, it's dropped right now. So that we're down over the week. We are pretty flat. 170. We're over the month. We're up a little bit. Past 3 months, 269. So look, it's not a bad time to buy. Looking for a little dip there, so I'll keep my eye on that. If that drops back a bit more, we got just 7 minutes to go. Alicia is here from Italy. Let's put them on the screen. There we go. Alicia's here, and Sam says, "Good morning, good morning, morning." Right, we got 14 likes now. Bill, when are you going to offer an IPO to the Martyn Lucas stock? Yeah. What did you say about Ford? Ford. I want to get out on Ford. I don't see Ford as the future anymore. I'm afraid. I don't see Ford as the future. And I'll tell you why. Because it's a gas company trying to reinvent itself as an electric company. And it will never do that. Because its whole history, its whole ideas. That's why Lucid, Tesla, Rivian, that will come out. New electric companies will wipe the floor with the gas companies. You might go, well, they're bigger, they've been around a long time. Their whole infrastructure is about gas. Their history is about gas. They love gas. They love engines. It makes absolute sense to me that a new forward-thinking electric car company, Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, so on and so forth, are going to have a much, much, much brighter future than Ford. Now, what I want to do is John Brunette and Kenneth think that this could go up to 18. So by January we hopefully we'll be getting the dividends. I've got 100 stocks in Ford, so I'm going to wait till January, get my dividends. Because I've got 100 shares, so I want to wait for that. And we are moving up slightly, but we've had a really rocky road over these last few months. Look at it, look, down, down, down. Even though their lightning's come out and so on, so the Mackie came out, it can't compete. It can't compete with Tesla. Absolutely not a chance in hell. So I don't see a great future in this. I'm down 11% on Ford, and that shouldn't happen. But I've got the dividends, which might compensate that. Over the past year, it's up 83%. So it's over the year, it's okay. But I bought it in the last, 4 months? I'm down 11%, even though it's down 17%. I missed that main hump there. Right, we've got 5 minutes to go. So that's what I want to do. I want to get out of it. I want to get out of Ford. What about affordability? Affordability? Have you not seen the news about the new Tesla Model 2? $19,000. It's cheaper than any Ford car. So Tesla will wipe the floor with all of this stuff. You know, I know an owner of a Ford garage in where I live in Dallas, and he loves his big gas cars. He loves his big GTs, and he's not even interested in the electric cars he's selling. He doesn't even want them there. Well, that tells you that is a dinosaur company. If owners of their own dealerships are not interested in it, they're just selling it because you want it, so I better have one because you might want to buy one, right? But their interest, their passion is not in it. It's an old school, an old generation. They don't care about it. They're not interested in it. A newer, fresher, modern approach is what's required. So I'm sorry, Ford, but I'm in it at the moment, but I'm waiting to get out of you. I've got $1,200 there, just losing money. And once those dividends pay out, and hopefully I can get a bit of an increase. I mean, the last, we've seen a bit of an increase today. Look, last couple of days, bit of a movement, but I'm not going to be sticking around. There you go. Hi, my dear Titty Mandy, I think it is. I can't see. Titty damn it. People put such funny names on TikTok. I've no idea. If you're over on TikTok, we've got just 3 minutes for the opening bell. If you want to see the trading screens, if you want to see it go mad, you want to see my money go up or down, you've got a couple of minutes to go. Click on the profile link here. Click on the icon. Find the icon, the Instagram icon, and just click on it. And there is my YouTube link. Come to YouTube. You'll see my trading screens. Either side of the phone, there are all my trading screens of my real money. I've grown 5,000 to 51,000 in 4 months. And you will see what I'm trading with and what I'm actually doing. This morning, we are looking at Bitcoin, of course. There we go. Bitcoin's bounced back. It's all over the place at the minute. Global Star, there we go. Well, we're going to get a pump this morning. Are you in? Right, I'm right on the money now. I'm at 0 with 1.5 minutes to go. There we go. I am now on the money. I am now literally on the money. Look, 0%. There it goes. Right, I'm up $4. I'm $9. I'm up. There we go. Look at that. We've got real pumping now. If I go over to the expanded chart, you want to come and see this, guys, on TikTok? This is what's going to happen this morning. I'm up 3%. Right, there we go. Let's expand the chart and see where the money is coming from this morning. There is the buy-ins. That's a very interesting looking chart. I've never seen volume like that. The candles are identical. Never seen that before. Let's get an opinion from Ken when he comes in. And if you did, how much money would you get? How much? What do you mean? What do you mean? Would you ever stop having shares in Ford? Yeah, I'm going to sell all my shares in Ford. And if so, how much money would you get? If I sold all my shares in Ford, I would have what's on the screen here. I've got $1,283. If I sold them all today, I'd have $1,283. But I don't want to sell now because I'm down $160. I think it will go up a little bit. But, once it does. Right, 1 minute to go. There it is. GSAT is taking off. Up 3% today. I'm now up $4.60, which is 0.37%, which will affect my portfolio a little bit. Yeah, 0.25. There we go. SBCE is up 0.62%. That is the best I've been for a while. Under $1,000 down now, waiting to get that bounce for 40. When it hits 40, I'm selling this time. Do not be attached to your stock. Do not be emotionally connected to your stock. It's an investment. It's there to make money. It's not there to lose money. The stock does not care. The stock does not know you own it. All right, remember that. Come on into YouTube if you're on TikTok. The link is right behind my icon here and behind the Instagram link. Click there. Maybe wait until it goes up in up Ford Motors and then pull out. Yeah, that's what I'll do, Sam. I'm not going to sell it right now unless I think it's going to keep going down. Right, here we go. Get ready for the bell. Get ready for the bell. We've got friends now. KX Spends over there on TikTok. Heather as well. Come and join us on YouTube. You're missing out right now. You got 15 seconds before the bell goes. Here we go. Okay, let's watch what happens. We are going to see some action. It could go up or down, but we will see some action. I'm not selling right now because I've not made any money, but I certainly don't want... there we go. There's the bell. There's the bell. Here we go. Right, what's going to happen now? You will see some action. There may be a bit of a sell because we had a bit of a pump there, so it may drop back. Let's watch what happens. Let's see if we can make some money. I'm the 13th like on the video. Fantastic. Patricia, we have 15 likes now. I'm the 13th like on the bet. I love that. That's brilliant. 15. There we go. Right, let's have a look. It's flat right now. Let's go over to Exos. Exos is the same. Exos isn't moving. We're looking for a dip there to buy in more Exos. NRXP, okay, taking a dip, down 3.77%. Carnival is down, well, it's up, but moving down quickly. SPCE, let's look at it. Dropping back. We had an opportunity there to make some money, but it's dropping back now. And there it goes. Down, 0.15, 0.35. GSAT, keep our eye on it. Whoa! Huge buying coming in to GSAT there. Some profit there to be made. Up 1.16. I'm down very slightly, but that's why there was a huge pump there. A very large candle. Just bought in there. That's what it pushed us up. And now there could be some sell-offs on there, or that could bounce back. Let's keep our eye on it and see. If I can get this up, I might take some profits off the table and then reinvest on a dip. Harpoon taking a bit of a dive. Carnival down slightly. NRXP down slightly. We've got a lot of friends over there on TikTok. They're missing out. You can't see the trading screens. My real money, my real trades is happening right now. The big news with Apple is GSAT. If you want to see how I've grown 5,000 to 51,000, my real money on Robinhood, come and join me on YouTube. Click the profile link right here. Behind the Instagram link is my YouTube link. Be in the chat with all my team and you will see what we're trading. All right. If you've just arrived at YouTube, give us a subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. And don't forget, give us a big thumbs up. We've got the average now. The family's all here. There we go. Our record is 27. We want to get a record. Let's get 20 today, shall we? Let's get 20 on the show. That'd be brilliant. If you can click the share button, let your friends know we're here trading real money, real live. Maybe we might get up a little bit more. There we go. All right, GSAT. There's the candle. Right, still sitting around up 0.23. My overall portfolio is now up 0.12. It's being hit at the moment. SPCE, there it is, down. And also Bitcoin. Bitcoin's recovering. There we go. That's better. Bitcoin is in the last hour up 0.2. But it's down over the day a percent. But it is recovering in the last hour. Okay, but it's still $5,000 off my peak. So there's about $2,000 here I'm shy of. I would actually be right now around about 53,000. So when that recovers, which it will, my position will recover. GSAT up 2.52%. Looking forward to seeing Ken come into the chat. He'll like all this. I'm sure he'll be here soon. Martyn Redding, of course, is attending the funeral of his father-in-law. And as we mentioned earlier, if you guys have not done it yet, go to this video in YouTube. It's my other channel, and this is the tribute. They're playing this today at the funeral. They're playing this video today. This one here, my tribute to this gentleman here who has several Purple Hearts in the American Army. They're playing this today at his funeral. So please go below here and leave a comment here. These will be read out at the funeral. These are messages to the family. So always nice. Martyn Redding's one of our loyal fans here. Would be nice if you could go and watch this video and leave a comment below. All right, so there we go. Back to the business of the day. If you've got friends coming over from TikTok now, hello, welcome. Click the subscribe button. Oh, we've got 4,000 likes on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed. That's a big number. Thank you very much indeed. Who's been tapping the screen this morning? Dazgul is here as well. Thank you, Dazgul. KX Spence, Heather, and Titty as well, I think it is, over there on TikTok. You're missing out right now. You're not seeing my trading screens of what we're spending here, what we're investing here, my real money. If you want to see it, just click on the profile link right here. Find the Instagram link, and right behind there is the YouTube link to my live show where you will see the trading screens. Come and join us. Right, my portfolio is only up now 0.02. Is Bitcoin diving again? No, it's not. I bet it's SPCE then. There it is. Yeah, I can recognize the patterns and I can see where the money's going. SPCE is just down 1.2%. Let's have a look at our GSAT. A big sell-off. There we go. See that big candle there? All right, a big sell-off there, a huge sell-off in GSAT. So people like Kenneth, I mean, yesterday he bought at 30%, so he's up 30%. He can make like 31, 32% right now. So there's a lot of money to be made in a global start right now, but I'm currently down a little bit. So let's see where that goes. Exos is just moving down slightly, so I'm down 3.5%. NRXP is also moving down. Carnival is up but moving back. Harpoon is moving down 1%. Ocugen is up 0.88%. Lucid Group up 2.5% and rising. That's very, very good. I've made $37, $26 today. Thank you very much indeed to the Lucid Group. That's very, very good. Their cars are coming out soon, so that will look good. Sam12 Sammy 12 over there on TikTok. Hello, how are you? Tap the screen, let me know you're here. Wonderful stuff. If you want to see my trading screens, click the profile link and hop over to YouTube. The link is behind the Instagram icon on my profile and you'll see my live trading screens. Look at that. Look at GSAT. GSAT crashed. Yeah, well, not really. Not really. GSAT's not really crashed at all. It's still up. It's still up today. That's okay. If you look at it, it's hovering sideways right now. It had a big pump a couple of days ago. Drillian Demarge. Hi, Martin and everyone. Drillian, one of our members here. Let's welcome Drillian. We've got some new members here. Drillian, smash the like button. Let us know you're here. That'll take us to 16 likes. 15's the average, 27's the record. Drillian, welcome back. Lovely to have you here. Drillian's on the screen, one of our team. If you've just joined us from TikTok, subscribe and ring the bell, and you'll be notified when we go live. Drillian, it's good to have you here, mate. He's out playing golf, look, see? Good stuff. I think he's playing golf. 16 likes, there we go. Drillian is in the house. There we go. Fantastic. Thank you very much, Drillian. The crowd's all here. Not seen Drillian for a few days. We've had all sorts going on the show. We've got a big drop. That'll be at Tesla. Sorry, Virgin. That's what I meant to say. Yep, down. Bitcoin is taking a dive as well. Again, we've got all sorts of problems at the moment. But big sell-off there for GSAT. But that's okay. It's trading sideways. But there it goes. It's going down now. It's going down now. So... Hello, Drillian. That's from Alicia. So let's watch what's going on here. We've got a bit of action right now. This is going to be a big day because it's going into the weekend. I expect quite a lot of action here with King. I can't read that name out. Lons Love, newbie here. Sam12 Sam. Right, Sam12 Sam. Let me tell you how it works. You're a newbie. So my name's Martyn Lucas. I invest on Robinhood. I've grown 5,000 to 52,000 in 4 months. And if you want to see how I do it, all right, and how I trade, you need to be in YouTube. So all you have to do is click the profile link right here. Find the Instagram icon on my profile, click on it, and you'll see the YouTube link. And that's where we are, and you will see my trades. And I will share with you my real money. It's quite unusual on YouTube that everybody's trying to manipulate stuff and sell you stuff. I don't. I just want to share with you what I'm trading, and you can share with me. You can tell me what you're trading if you want. And I'll also give you some free stock into Robinhood. Give you some free stock if you want. Just come and join us, and I will show you what I'm trading on. All right. Global Star is now dropping. Down 4%. Now it's down 2% today. Let's see what happens. So, down she blows. Down she goes. Exos is diving right now as well. NRXP. We've got some news as well. People were talking about is there a correction coming? Some people say the correction isn't coming. Bank of America are bullish on the market. Let me show you. Where is it? A new way, not that one. There's one here. Don't see correction happening in the fall. Here is a quick bit of breaking news. For those of you on TikTok, you can't... Hello. Oh, is it Archer? Archer Leddy. Hello, Archer Leddy. Come and join us on YouTube and you'll see what I'm showing right now. Here we go about the correction.
Market malaise. We're joined now by Tiffany McGee, CEO and Chief Investment Officer of Pivotal Advisors, as well as the CNBC contributor. Ellen Lee is also with us, Fundamental Portfolio Manager at Causeway Capital Management. Good morning to both of you. We've been talking really since Tuesday. Everybody came back after Labor Day, and then there became this idea of some kind of repricing. I'm not sure what you think has inspired all of this, Tiffany.
Yeah, so I think, first of all, the ride gets a little bit bumpy from here on out, and we're definitely seeing that play out in the markets. And so, September is typically the worst performing month of the year. At least it has been for the past 20 years. But within that 20 years, we've only had less than half of those Septembers in a negative month, right? In terms of negative performance. So, what we're expecting is that, listen, it's not unusual kind of coming out of summer going into fall to see a bit of a slowdown.
See, this is normal time of the year. This stuff happens. But what do you think? We are going to get a bit of a correction, but that's part of the course. You can't make money until you go up. We've got friends just joining us over on TikTok. Just click the profile, click the Instagram icon, and come into YouTube. You'll see my trading screens. Drilling Damage. I was in Cornwall for a few days. I'm from Cornwall, as you know. I'm in Cornwall. I'm from Cornwall, but I'm based here now in Texas. And the signal wasn't great to follow you. Okay. Swanky Boy over there. Swanky Boy, how are you, Swanky Boy? Do you want to see our trading screens here on YouTube? Just click the profile, click the icon on Instagram, and you'll see our trading screens. So there we go. This lady's talking about every September. That's with the correction. Let's have a listen a bit more.
And we've been seeing that. So I think some of the things that are driving this, clearly, anticipation of Fed action, and then, also the Delta variant, right? And so what's kind of going on with that is...
Let's jump back into GSAT and see what's happening. All right, a big sell-off. There we go. Down 1.53. 1.16. 1.36. Watching it. Exos has bounced back. NRXP is still down. We're down 5% on that now. $35. Carnival is down, taking a dive at the moment, down nearly 1%. Remember, my average cost is $22.92. So I wonder if I could get a bargain with I had a big position, as you know, with a very big position with Carnival, and I sold that out, made some profits, but I'm looking to get back in again now. Harpoon down slightly, Oxygen down slightly. Keep our eye on SPC for a bounce. There we go, down 1.44. Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin is now trading sideways, down 0.5% today. Let's return to this news about the slowdown.
As we see some cases rising. But we're not really worried because we have this really strong kind of fundamental backdrop, right? So, earnings are accelerating, margins are at record highs, and, the expectation is that we're going to see increased growth in the third quarter and for the remainder of the year. So we don't see like a major sell-off. Some people have been talking about, September's going to be a down month. We haven't had a correction, anything close to a correction all year.
I want to say hello to Emily Smith and Archleddy. Archleddy, I'd love to. Where are you from? I'd love to welcome you to my team over here on YouTube. Just click the link there, and you will be with my team. Hello, Sam Flint05, I think that is. You're new to my TikTok channel. If you want to see my trading screens, what I'm actually making money on, from 5,000 to 51,000 in 4 months, live on TikTok. Sorry, live on Robinhood. see my trading screens. Just click here and you'll be with us. I just jumped in and invested on McAfee Corporation. Oh, nice. Okay, let's have a little look at that for you then. Let's have a look. We're still seeing GSAT selling off at the moment. I'm trying to get back up to zero. Perhaps I could sell and then catch it on the way down again. So let's have a look at McAfee. Let's go to my portfolio. My portfolio is down 0.15 today. Let's have a look at McAfee. McAfee. There we go. This is what you're investing in. Let's have a look over the 5 years. There we go. It IPO'd. It came on the public market in 2020. So it's quite recent, and it had a dramatic rise, and now it's dropped back. It's dropped back a huge amount. When did you buy in? I just jumped in and invested on McAfee. All right, that looks not a bad idea. It's just dropped off a cliff. All right, it's literally it's down 21% in 3 months, 27% the last month, 19% in the past week, and down 4% today. I see where you're going with that. That's quite a discount. You're absolutely right. It pays a dividend of 0.37 as well. That's not a bad opportunity, is it? McAfee. I'd like some information from Kenneth. When Kenneth comes in, he might give us some more information on that. But yeah, there's certainly some fundamentally different. Why that has dropped so much. I'd like to know why it's dropped so much, though. Why has it dropped so much? I see where you're going with that, though. I mean, basically, it's like buying the... It's not far off the IPO position. I'd like to know why that dropped off. So, congratulations to you to getting in at such a low price. It could continue to dip for a while, though. And if that happens, what you could do is buy on the way down to lower your averages, and then you'll get an even better position on the way down if it does continue to go down. If it starts to go up, of course, you'll do well. How much did you invest? How many shares? How much did you invest in that one? I mean, it was at its peak. It was $30 a share. It's now going for $22 a share. We've got some friends. Is it Kerwin Naker, and T Wox, JNTR, over there on TikTok. Welcome. If you want to see what I'm trading and what screens we're actually looking at, we're live here on Robinhood, and you can see us on YouTube. And I've grown from 5,000 to 51 in 4 months. And we've got a great community here on YouTube, all sharing their trades with us. And I'm sharing my trades with everyone. You click on the profile here, click the Instagram icon, and you come into YouTube. And I'm right here, right now. All right, let's keep an eye on McAfee, shall we? Add that to our list. We'll do some research on that one throughout the day and see what's going on there. That's very interesting. Thank you for sharing that with us, mate. Keeping an eye on GSAT. We're keeping an eye on Exos. It's taking a bit of a dive again, a bit more. NRXP still down. Carnival, a bit of a drop there. Harpoon Therapeutics bouncing back. Ocugen. Let's go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin trading sideways now. Ford, we're seeing a nice improvement today. There we go. That's the best we've been for a while. We're up 1.2% now. That's the best, one of the best pumps we've had for quite a while. So there we go. That's not bad. Over the last 3 months, look, was a little dip there. Good. Keep on going forward. Virgin Galactic just down very slightly. I've just jumped in and invested on McAfee. Let's all wish Trillium very well. We'll keep our eye on it as well today. It's hovering around there. If Kenneth comes in, I will ask him what he thinks. We've got Jay Carter as well. We've got a number of guests over on TikTok. My name's Martyn Lucas, the day trader. 35 shares. Oh, nice one. That's a decent amount. So, friends over there on TikTok, you want to see what we're trading live? Hit the profile here. Find the Instagram link and join us live on YouTube, and you'll see my trading screens. I can't share it on my phone. Doesn't work that way. Drillion, 35 shares. I'm very interested in this. You've got my interest in this. There we go. That's McAfee. That's what it's been doing. What's the analysts say? The analysts haven't given it. So this is their earnings, estimated, and they increased it. But see, they estimated and they increased it. Expecting November 18. John Brunette. What do you think about McAfee? Rough start. Yeah, you're right, John. Smash the like button, mate. You'd be number 17. There we go. John, we got some breaking news here. McAfee is down. Look at all this. And Drillion has just bought in. What do you reckon? What do you reckon on McAfee? A buy? Look at this. Down 21% last 3 months. Down 27 in the last month. Down 18 in the last week. And down 5% today. What do you reckon? That's a huge amount, isn't it? What do you reckon? 1 second. John Brunette's having a look. We need Kenneth Brunk in the chat as well. We've got 17 likes now. Fantastic. That's quite a drop. What's in my portfolio? How much have I got to invest? This is how much I've got to invest in my buying power. I've got $500. Drillion, are you still here? We're all looking at maybe jumping in with you. Drillion, are you still here with us? We're looking at making some money with McAfee. Is releasing 20 million shares. Oh, it's devalued. It's devalued, is it? It's devalued its stock. That's why it's dropped. Okay. Is releasing 20 million shares. Okay. So what it's done, it's devalued its stock. It's made it cheaper. So it's not necessarily a discount on the stock. It's just made it cheaper. So it's still a buy. It is a buy. I mean, that's a hell of a drop. I'd like to get Kenneth's feeling on that as well. What does Kenneth feel? Because if John, when did they do that? When did they release the 20 million shares? Is that today? Or looking at that, is Drillion still here? Because we'd like to hear from him. Wait, thanks for the update, John. We're just going to have a look. Wait for it to hit bottom. I mean, yeah, but has it hit the bottom? Well, I got to go. Hey, Graphics Card, thanks ever so much for being here, mate. Don't forget to leave that comment below that video for Martin Redding in the chat, right? You may have already done it for that video, for the tribute video. Let's support our members here. Have a good day, Graphics Card. Yeah, but what's the bottom though? That's the question. Yeah, I don't like when they devalue shares, because that's all that's done is devalue the share. I mean, it's not dropping for an opportunity. It's not on discount. It's just now a cheaper stock. There are more of them, so they become cheaper. No, right now it's doing like many stocks. No, right now it's just doing like many stocks. That was from August. Okay, so that's good news for you, Drillion. That's good news for Drillion then. Reversing after Wednesday's gains. September 8th. September 10th. Yeah, we had some gains there, I see. What was that? So we were down 13% there. And then we made 3%. Yeah. Okay, so the good news is, Drillion, the devaluation happened in August. So August 30, August. So if they did that in August, that was the drop there. That was probably the drop, the devaluation. All right, and then all the way through August, it stayed the same. So that's okay. So this is a genuine. This is the discount here. This is the discount from down 11% to down 30%. So this 15% is the discount. This is probably just the new normal. This is the discount. So yeah, you're right. There is. Have you got any shares in that, John? Have you got any shares in that? Drillion's got 35. Shall I support Drillion and get 35 shares? What do we think? It's still a buy. I mean, their income was up from what they estimated in Q2. It was down. It was down in Q1. It was up in Q4. It was down in Q1, but it was up in Q2. So it was up quite a bit, but it was down quite a bit. So it's kind of like, okay, we're in between at the minute. It's got a dividend yield as well, 0.37. So you do have a dividend on it as well. Trading sideways. I'm looking at it. I'm thinking. Let me see what GSAT has done to reposition myself. It's down today. Exos is down. NRXP is down. Okay. McAfee. Uh, 50. So 35 shares is currently $700. I'm undecided. I'm on the fence about it. I'm not sure about it at the moment. I'm still thinking about it. I've got 20 shares in my basket. Look, if you want to call it that, my shopping basket. Look, there you go. There's 20 shares. I'm undecided. I'm sat on the fence right now. I'm thinking about it. I'm looking around at different things. I'm seeing my position. My portfolio is down at the moment. I've got $500 in that. Drillion, great analysis, Martin. I've been following Martyn McAfee for months, simply waiting for the opportunity. I have been following McAfee for months, simply waiting for the opportunity. So what do you feel about it? What's your thoughts? Obviously, you've invested in it. Why did you invest in it? Tell me what your thoughts were. Virgin Galactic down slightly. What is the average volume? So the volume is low on it. The volume is low on it. It's only 805,000. The volume is very, very low. Let me look at it on my on the app a minute. The cafe. Here we go. Show more. All right, let's have a look here. Volume, today's high, today's low, open price. Buy. Okay. Look, this is what the analysis is saying. They're saying a buy. Look, 6 analysis ratings are saying buy. No one's saying sell. They're saying a hold. See that? All right. I'll buy 20. I'll buy 20 with you. I've got to redo my code. So I'm just taking myself off the screen a minute with you. Sometimes for security you need to do these things. How'd you get on? There we go. All right, Drillion. I have 20 shares in that now. There we go. There we go. I've just purchased 20. So we'll see how we go right now. We'll be watching that right now. Let's have a look at my overall portfolio. It's still dropping down. Okay, we're seeing all sorts of issues right now today. So Bitcoin is trading sideways. GSAT down slightly. Exos down very slightly. NRXP down very slightly. Carnival down very slightly. Harpoon down slightly. Ocugen down. Sorry, Ocugen, yeah, Ocugen is up, I beg your pardon, my position is down. Lucid's doing well. Lucid's doing great. Up 4%. Robinhood down slightly. Rolls-Royce is up slightly. Ford just dropping back even though it's up. SPCE, Virgin Galactic down. McDonald's is up slightly. Microsoft very slightly down. Google is up today. Vanguard, the overall ETF, is pretty flat. It's a yucky day. Disney, AT&T down slightly. Coke is down slightly. Apple up slightly. Facebook up 0.93. Tesla is just edging back. Johnson & Johnson down slightly. Apple is up 0.12. Yeah, I'm down 2% on the week. I'm down 2% on the month. But I'm up. I'm still up overall 9%, so it's not an issue. But yeah, it's not a good day today. Drillion, you still with me? I purchased 20 shares there of that. McAfee Corporation provides technology-driven integrated security, privacy, and trust solutions. It protects consumers, enterprises, and governments from cyber attacks. The firm operates through two segments, enterprise and consumer. The enterprise segment provides computer solutions to small and medium-sized businesses, large enterprises, and governments. The consumer segment provides security additions solutions to consumers. The company was founded in 2019 and is headquartered in San Jose, California. The listed name for McAfee is McAfee Corp. Class A common stock. The company was founded on July 19. So it's only I thought McAfee was, the old, what was it? The old virus checker from years ago. But, it's interesting. Anyway, yeah, it's dropped back a little bit. Be interesting to see what. Best of luck, Martin. Yeah, thank you very much. Be interesting to see what. Thank you for bringing it to our attention, though. Yeah, IPO'd here. IPO'd here, listed on October 2020. And it had a little bit of a pop, not much. Dropped back, often happens. It climbed and climbed and climbed and climbed. They devalued. Here, which is fine, and now everything's dropping back. That's fine. So that's kind of okay. That's not. It may not have reached its lowest level. In fact, it hasn't, because I'm already down 1%. So it may not have reached its lowest level, but everything's diving today. I mean, well, not everything, of course, but a lot is. I mean, look, Tesla's moved back. Look, it was up at one point, and it's dropping back now, nearly zero now. There we go. So I'm looking at a few things right now. Although we had a bit of a volatility there with Bitcoin sold off and then rebought back. Global Star just down today 2%, and Exos the same, down 1%. NRXP is down 3% today. Carnival is taking a dive as well. It's a rubbishy day. This is part of the correction, possibly. It's September as well. So there we go. Today has been quite a yucky day. everything's taking a bit of a tumble. You have a choice. You have a choice of selling your stocks that are up. Like, for example, if I look at Tesla, right? I could say, all right, I've made 10%. I've made $340 on that. I could sell all of that and buy it back. But will it drop 10%? Probably not. But you know, there's money to be made. There's money on the table there. There's $340 there. I've got nearly $4,000 there. And then I could buy that, but I'm not going to. I don't want to take money out of that. Drillian, I'm here following your analysis. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is a time now for looking for opportunity, and just, you know, you've got two choices, and pretty much both give you the same outcome. You can sell the ones you've made to buy the ones that are dropping. But of course, the ones that you've made for a reason, you know, has even though there is profit in Tesla, has Tesla got more growth opportunity, say for example, than McAfee? Well, yes, I think so. I think there's a lot more potential for growth in Tesla than there is McAfee. So for me to sell my shares to get $4,000 to be able to put more money in McAfee or something like that, then that probably isn't the right thing to do. But having a diverse portfolio, investing in something else that you've got interest in is a good idea. Going digital more and more every day. McAfee has a massive role to play. It does indeed. I'm going to do some research on it. I mean, today I actually bought on your recommendation. I just bought because you mentioned it and it looked good. But I will do some more research before I put any more money in it. That's why I only bought 20 shares. I will now I've got an investment in it. I will study it. That's how I do my investments. If I see there's an opportunity, I'll put 10, maybe sometimes one share or even fractional share. Just put it on the chart so I can see it, and then I will go and research it and see if it's a long-term play or whatever it might be. But for now, I've got 20 shares. That's okay. It's a very small part of my portfolio. It's only 0.87. It's not going to destroy me. I'm down a little bit more. Look, it's dropped a bit more. And we'll watch where it goes. Very often when a company release more shares, they devalue the shares, but it's for a reason. They want to sell more shares to raise more money to put into the business. That's what happened. That's what happened with Virgin. Virgin Galactic shares, when was it? 1 month. I think it was, where was it? I think it was around about August 16th. Where are we now? Yeah, around about here, the shares dropped. Okay? And the reason for that was they devalued, they released more shares. I think they were trying to raise 500 million or something like that. And they released a lot of shares, and the reason for doing that was they wanted the money to put back in to purchasing more. Hang on, I was on the wrong chart, sorry. Here it is, August 9th, this was it. Sorry, I was on the wrong chart. They did it, they sold off more shares, just like McAfee have done, to raise funds to build more ships so they can go forward and be more profitable. That's the point of it. When a company does that, that's fine. They're selling shares, they're devaluing the shares they've already got, so the shareholders get hurt initially, but it's for the benefit of the shareholders, the benefit of the company, because they're using the money to reinvest to buy more ships and build their company up. So it's okay if a company devalues its shares to reinvest in itself. If it, on the other hand, sells shares to raise capital to pay itself dividends and bonuses and give the CEO a pat on the back, which is what happened with a recent IPO I was interested in. What was it? It was the gym, the fitness gym with Mark Wahlberg. They basically wanted to raise money to pay themselves, and they publicly announced that, which they have to because they're a public company, right? They were raising money to give themselves bonuses. Well, is it G8, G48 or something like that? Anyway, 485. Oh, I don't know. It doesn't matter. But anyway, the company's IPO tanked. Well, of course it's going to. People aren't investing in a company to give bonuses to the owner. They're investing because they want the money to go into the company, to build the company, to make them a profit, right? So, is it F45, F85? I don't know why I keep going around that, but yeah. Whereas McAfee, Virgin, this devaluation here was to invest in the company. So that was good. Let's hope McAfee have done the same thing. Let's hope their investment in it, their selling of shares, was for the same reason. In that case, it'd be good. All right. Let's find out who won the day. Every day we have the competition. I am down 0.61. Can everybody tell me their scores on the doors today? What's the scores? What did everybody do today? What did everybody do? Let's see if we've got a winner. I am down 0.61. Am I the winner? Is that the best position on the day? Look on your portfolio, see your position for the day, and tell me where you are, and we'll see. John Brunette down. John, isn't it a rubbish day? It's September, isn't it? This is my first September. Remember, I've only been doing this since when did I come into the market? When did I start all of this? Here we go. I started all this crazy stuff May 23rd. May 23rd. So this is my first. Wonder what that dip was there. I should have written that down. What was that? That was a quiet dip, wasn't it? Yeah, I'm not panicking yet. No. No, I'm not panicking either. Only panic. The only reason... Oh, Drillion down 0.03. That makes Drillion the winner, right? I don't know if Dr. Smith is here. Next week, this needs to go back up. Yeah, it does. You know, it's... You're only in trouble if you've put your mortgage on it. But I know, John, you haven't done that, and I haven't done that. And at the end of the day, points needed for ranking. There's something going on my TikTok where I'm in some competition. Can everyone tap the screen as fast as they can? Ranking needed for 0 on a win streak. See that? If everyone taps the screen on TikTok, ranking points need. I'm 130 in the world or something like that. God knows. I really don't know what it is. I wish I knew what that was. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Who cares? Yeah, you only lose if you've invested your mortgage and you can't pay the bills. I mean, otherwise, just wait. You know, these companies will return. That's why you have a diverse portfolio. If all my money was on McAfee right now, I'd be sitting there going, "Oh my God, it's going down and down and down." It's like, it's one share, right? It's one thing. What is the volume right there? Volume. It's very low volume on it. That's the problem. Until people start getting involved in it, it's very low volume at the moment. At the moment, it is. Yeah, I didn't buy it at the right time. Didn't time it very well, did I? I'll keep my eye on that throughout the day. Bitcoin trading sideways. GSAT. Going to keep my eye on all of these. Exos moving down slightly. So, which means the winner today is Drillian. Congratulations to Drillian. Drillian, you are the winner today. You are the least down. No one's up. No one's winning by up. But you are the least down. So congratulations to you. Well done, Drillian. You are the winner today on the Day Trader for the morning. It doesn't count until the end of the day. We don't do a competition for the morning. We do a competition for the day. So join us back at the end of the day to see if you are the winner. So far you are, and which probably means you will be at the end of the day, but we'll find out. Congratulations, Drillian. I got lots of friends over there on TikTok. Hi, I'm from Greece. Hello, mate, from Greece. Not just Clarence. Hello, mate. And Toda as well. And Lateris. Oh, I did a gig in Athens. Well, just before we go, I would love to introduce you all to my team. We've only got a couple of minutes. Would you like to meet my team and see what we're trading on? See where my money is actually going for real, because you can't see it on TikTok. So if you want to see my trading screens and what I'm actually trading on, just click the profile link just here. Then click my icon. Then click the Instagram icon. And you'll see the YouTube link right behind there. Come and join us in the live chat. We've got a couple of minutes. I'd like to introduce you to the team before we go, and then we'll be back here for the closing bell. If you do that right now, I can invite you to the closing bell, and you'll see what we're doing. Let's give them a minute. Let's see if anybody from TikTok just hops over, and then we'll end the show. Monday, yeah. Monday is a rubbish day, isn't it? Thank you. Hopefully we can all be up tomorrow. Tomorrow, nobody will be up tomorrow. It's Saturday. The market closes today. We'll be back on Monday. So if you've got a way of trading on Saturday, you let me know. Because if you do, I'm all in. Yeah, sorry, back on Monday. That's all right, mate. Down $350 today. Rubbish day today. Absolutely rubbish. This is totally expected. Oh, there we go. McAfee's just gone up again. That's nice. I thought it was just going to keep going down and down and down. I thought, no, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Did we get a bit of a buy-in? Open in a new tab. Let me have a look. It's not showing yet. So just lifting up slightly. Monday, yes. Let's see if anyone joins us. I'm just giving them a second. We just invited all of my TikTok friends to hop into YouTube where you can see the trading screens. And hi from Greece. We'll give them a couple of seconds, then we'll end the show, see if they come in. All right. That's good to see. Look at that. McAfee, look, just picked up a little bit. Always nice, right? We always want to see a little bit of upward momentum. Oh, my dear, oh, dear, oh, dear. Look at my portfolio. It's Bitcoin isn't doing great, is it? I bet Virgin Galactic's down. Let me have a look. Yeah, thought so. Look at that, 2%. Blimey. Global Star is down a little bit. Exos is continuing going down. Everything's going down. NRXP is going down. This could be the correction everyone's talking about. Yeah. Carnival down. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Down. Harpoon. Have you got any money on standby to buy all these dips, John? Because it's an opportunity, right? Ocugen, Lucid Group. I've made 3% there. Just dropping back slightly. Harpoon down. Rolls Royce flat today. Ford is up but now dropping back. Virgin down 2%. Oh dear. No, I'm holding the bag. You got no money. It's all invested now, right? I could liquidate and confirm a loss. Yeah, I mean, that's it. Not interested in this. No. Awful, right? Yeah, just let it pass. Just let it pass. I mean, you know, you could do that. I could do the same thing. Look, I could go, right, I got $49,400. Sell everything. Disregard where I am. And if I do that, I'm up $4,000. All right, I could do that, and then just buy everything down. But then, you know, if it goes lower, you're worse off. If you know, it's not worth doing. The way I see it, the $6,000 I made from Robinhood, I've lost. Oh dear God. Yeah, Robinhood is edging back all the time, isn't it? Robinhood is just getting, where is it? Hood, where are you? Can't find you, where are you? Hood. But there is a possibility of going back up because I got stock. Yeah. Exactly. Just stay where you are. Don't do anything for now. Yeah, Robinhood is awful. I mean, it's up 10%, but that $92. You know, it's not doing anything really. But yeah, there we go. Anyway, that's it. But there's a possibility of it going back up because I got the stock. Yes, exactly. Keep hold of the stock. It's fine. I'm not worried about this at all. This is September. From what I've read, this is what happens in September. And whatever. Let's just let it ride for now. McAfee just came back a little bit, look. And GSAT came back a little bit. There we go. All right. It's been a yucky day. How you doing, Is it Honenheim over there? No one came over to YouTube. I don't know why. It's really funny. My friends on TikTok are just listening to me, looking at my face. I don't know why, because I'm not a pretty face. I can picture less mature millennials losing a ton. Oh my God, yeah. You make oh yeah. Absolutely. If you've invested money that you can't afford to lose, and then you start getting fearful in selling, oh my God. But then it's those people, John, who make us money. It's people who are not educated, people who don't understand the market, who make us money. You can't make money unless it goes down. That's how it works, right? You know, those people would have sold off, drive the market down. We held on and then either bought in lower, like I bought in today, McAfee, and I bought in well, not GSAT. I bought that on a pump, didn't I? That wasn't my best move. But yeah, we don't lose right now, and because we've not sold. But yeah, a lot of people who don't have the money, who shouldn't invest, would be in all kinds of trouble. All right, Honeyheim, thank you for joining us. Remember, never give up. No, I never give up. Hoang VU 20068. Lovely to have you all here. I'm going to leave you all now. I am going to get ready for my drive home show. Got to prepare that. Also today as well, the closing bell, which will be interesting. Why I'm in this situation. What do you mean? I did buy to lower my average price. It's why I'm in this situation. Yes, that's right. That's right. And also, interesting one, I've got a guest, got a client coming around to the studio today to record a happy birthday. So he wants me to sing happy birthday, and he'll be with me talking to his company or whatever it might be. And that'll be interesting. I've got a client coming around today to make a video with me. And all his staff want to do a similar thing. I was out with Bentley. All right, there he is. Bill's back. All right, it's been a down day, Bill. Everybody's losing money. Well, I'll rephrase that. I'm not losing any money. Not losing any money at all. Oh, we've got some buying coming in to McAfee. Look at that. You don't lose money unless you sell when you're down. All right. Unless you sell down because you've got something better you want to move into. That's a good reason. But don't sell because you've bought in the wrong thing. You didn't know what you bought. That should never happen. Bitcoin is what's driving my portfolio down. 45, look at that. What does it say? Swiss Bourse gets regulatory approval to offer landmark digital token exchange. Is there any more news on Bitcoin? Not at the moment. Let me refresh the screen. Often there's news in the Bitcoin tab. There we go. Edward Snowden, nations are under pressure to acquire Bitcoin. There we go. Bitcoin exchange reserves, new record low with traders eyeing 43,000 Bitcoin price support. You watch it. It's going to shoot back up again. This is manipulation right now. A lot of people who've got it in El Salvador are losing everything. It's awful. It's how the market works. Can I join? Yes, you can. Username. You can be part of my trading screen. Right, this is how you do it. You've got 1 minute because I've got to go. Right, but you can be get ready for the next show. Click the profile link right here. Click my icon. Click the Instagram icon and you will see a YouTube link. Come straight into YouTube right now. You'll be in with my team. We'll show you how we're trading. We'll show you our real money. And it's all free and it's great. You know, I've grown my portfolio from 5 to 51,000, but I've just dropped back a little bit. Come and join us. You've got just a minute. If you do it now, I'll hold for you. Come into YouTube and we're live here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell, weekdays of course. I'll give you a minute. Just hop on over, click the profile, click the icon, click the Instagram link, and there's YouTube. Right, we're going to give 1 minute and then we're going to wrap up the show. Thanks for being here today, guys. It's been another interesting day. That's all I'm going to say. Look, on the day trader now, we are now 1,200 subscribers. 1,200 subscribers. Thanks to all of you. All we're trying to do now is get the watch hours up to 4,000. We're nearly at 2,000. We're nearly halfway there now to being a professional channel. It doesn't look like our friend user said user 192 has come across, and Joshua said hello. All right, so we're going to end the chat. I don't know why you watch me on TikTok. You can't see anything. You can see it on YouTube. All right, I got to go. We'll give him 30 seconds. This weekend, I'm going to cast spells to make this go up. Yeah, do that, John. See you at 5 o'clock. Look forward to it. I have some cat whistlers I've been saving. All right, great stuff. McAfee's dropping back again as well. So there we go. All right. Take care of yourselves and each other. I'll be back live on the Drive Home show and, of course, the closing bell in a few hours' time. I'm going to get ready. The studio's going to get ready now to make a happy birthday message. We've got a guest coming into the studio to record a happy birthday message. So we're very, very excited about that. And that's it from me. So take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all back later. Till then, bye-bye for now.